Storytelling is absolutely the most important part of doing any kind of an analysis. It is important to study both analysis and visualization hand in hand because part of the storytelling involves being able to create visuals in order to tell a better story. While we could simply stop at calculating the statistics, the visualizations empower us to be able to communicate more clearly what it is that we're trying to say. What I think separates this course from a lot of other similar ones is definitely the bent towards ethics and chart selection. I think it's critical in order to be able to communicate effectively. It's also important to be able to understand what the ramifications of the decisions that you make in the process of building your analysis have on the business decisions that you make because of them. This course will cover a wide variety of topics, including Excel, in which we'll go into descriptive and predictive analytics, then move on into more visualization-focused topics, such as using Tableau. Finally, we'll start talking about effective technical communications and data analysis, as well as the ethics behind doing any analysis. I hope you're as excited to take this course as I was building it. Please join us for this course at Rice University.